Hello everyone. In today's video, we will see how you can use the keyframe graph on Capcut PC. Start by importing your assets to Capcut. Now drag your assets to the timeline. Now to bring motion to the image, there are two ways. Either you can use the animation presets or use Keyframe to make custom motions. Now to add Keyframe to the image, make sure the image is selected and go to Basic Sections under the Video tab, and select the property you want to keyframe. I'm choosing position and size. First, I will move 5 frames forward by clicking the right arrow key 5 times. Then I will come back 5 frames by clicking the left arrow key 5 times. You can create keyframe by clicking on the polygon in the Basics section. Now set the position according to your preference. As you can see, the animation feels too static and rigid. You can use the keyframe graph to give it a more realistic feel. Right. Click on the clip or image and select the Show Keyframe Animation, or you can use the shortcut shown on the screen. Now you will see you are shown different graphs. Edit the property which you want. In this case, we will select the Y property. Click on the keyframe and select different type of curves, as shown on the screen, and customize it to your liking. You will see that clip you selected will change its position in a way that feels good. If the video was of any help, please consider subscribing for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.